If you've been curious about how to make the most of this offer, you're in the right place. Let's break down exactly how the Temu $100 coupon bundle works and how you can use it to slash your spending. The Temu coupon bundle isn't a single $100 discount. Instead, it's a collection of smaller coupons that add up to $100 in potential savings. These coupons are designed for use across multiple purchases, each with its own minimum spending requirement. For example, the bundle might include a $10 off coupon for orders over $30, a $25 discount for purchases over $60, and a $50 reduction for carts totaling $150 or more. This structure encourages you to shop more while saving on each transaction. Using the coupon bundle is straightforward. First, check the available coupons and their conditions. Then, add products to your cart that meet the minimum spend for the coupon you want to use. At checkout, enter the valid coupon code to activate your discount. Remember, you can only use one coupon per order, so plan your purchases strategically. To maximize your savings, consider spreading your shopping across multiple orders. Use smaller coupons for less expensive items and save the bigger discounts for larger purchases. This way, you can extract the full value from your coupon bundle over time. The Temu coupon bundle is a powerful tool for savvy shoppers. By understanding how it works and planning your purchases accordingly, you can enjoy significant discounts on a wide range of products. Remember to review your available coupons, meet the minimum spend requirements, and apply the correct codes at checkout. Happy shopping and saving with Temu!